YouTube. What's going on? It's Damien from Carter Creative Hair Studio in Manchester, and today we've got the unboxing of the Babyliss Pro cordless supermotor skeleton trimmer. Professional, high torque. We've got some detail, we've got some outline, and we've got performance here. And this guy's looking kind of sharp still. But yeah, Babyliss Pro, UK edition. We've got the older brother, the American version. Had this one for a minute still, and really love this trimmer. This is my #1 go-to for shaping up, for outlining, for detailing, for everything. #1 trimmer right now, this one right here. I've actually ditched all of my other trimmers, wall, and none of yous like are coming close to what this one can do. It's just nice to hold, and it's just nice. Well done, well done. Well done, Babyliss, yeah. I brought this one, so I need to compare it to this one, because there's one thing that this trim is missing, and it's a stand. I love me a stand. It's just nice and convenient when you're working along and you're trimming and you're cutting and you're using your clippers and your trimmers, and you can just prop it in a stand and it does its own charging thing. That's what it's missing. So luckily for us over here in the UK, and I'm guessing in Europe as well, we've got the benefit of the stand with this particular trimmer. I think it's only for now anyway coming in one color, like a brushed chrome steel kind of look. Kind of nice still, the dark chrome look, dark chrome finish. Just a quick look at the box. On the side we've got some Babyliss Pro branding. On the back we've got Babyliss Pro cordless supermotor trimmer, and then let's just run through what they're claiming this thing can do. So we've got high power cord and cordless control. We've got precision engineered Japanese steel blade. Intrigued to see what this is all about. Got some extra wide T-blade action going on with the zero gap function. Looks like it's already zero gap, by the way. 120 minutes usage from a 3-hour charge, and I just skipped one. I know, give me a sec. Then we've got some lithium technology for sustained power performance. From my understanding of this, it means when you're running your clippers or your trimmers and it's lithium powered, when you get right to that end where you're sucking out the last bit of energy, it won't slow down. It just stops, just, you know, gives you every last bit of power. Also, we've got high torque brushless motor from the long lasting power and speed, robust all metal housing design, and we've got charging and a storage stand right here. Really excited about this. I'm guessing there's probably a little bit of oil and a cleaning brush. On the other side, we've got some more pictures and some close-ups of the blades, zero gapped, high torque motor, and a robust all metal housing. They're building these things to last. And I like that, I really do like that. Nice to see Babyliss have finally stepped the game up, because Babyliss weren't really saying one. Once upon a time, but now they are. Let's get on to the unboxing. Oh, finally, a nice little pull tab. Come on guys, that's what we want to see. So we don't have to go ham on these boxes, man. Because these guys like to make it so difficult to open boxes and parcels. I just don't get it, man. Just don't understand. More plastic. This is like pasta parcel, man. So we got a box. Inside a box, I hope there's not another box, because I want to get to the trimmer. Also, another pull tab right there. Let's see what's cracking. Okay, we're in. There are some more boxes though. So yeah, some labels. We've got the cable, power lead, nice and thick, good quality. Do actually like the quality of the Babyliss Pro cables. And the length always really long, which is really good. We've got the stand, inside it some more plastic. And oh, like this, some suckers. So if you're putting it on a metal surface, it will stay in place. I'm pulling on that and it ain't going anywhere. I like that. That's Babyliss, these guys, you know. This is what I like, man. Innovation, creation. I like that. I really like that. Some nice suckers, so once you've got it in place, it's not going nowhere. Because when you put your stuff, your trimmers inside these stands, sometimes you're lifting them up. I actually had that problem with the Andis Slimline Pro. The gold one, the silver one, whatever colour you think it is. I think it's gold. What colour do you think it is? Is it gold or silver? I think it's gold. But I'm talking about the Slimline Pro, the Andis. Sometimes you put it in its stand and the stand would lift up with the trimmer, so you got to use two hands and it's just pointless. What is the point? So I like this, really like that Babyliss, how they've put these suckers on the base. Very good idea. Nice little guard. We'll just put that down for a second. Actually, let's stand it up in its stand. Woo! Ah, there you go, we've got some oil and a little brush and some air. That's the air in that bag. Got a little cleaning brush. Got a small brush on that end. Big brush on that side. To clean your blade, if you choose to do so. Got your oil, lubricating oil. Then you've got your zero gap tool, which just snaps up and out of place like this. A very small Allen key, which fits these two screws right here. Because this adjusts the cutting blade, which is the one that moves, not the static blade. So we're adjusting the cutting blade with this. It's a nice little storage tool, I like that. That sits inside here. So you can't lose it. Just snap it back into place. Put it away in your little storage box. Ready for zero gapping or any time for servicing your machine. Very, very simple. I like how these companies are making it easier to zero gap your machines without having to open up your tools. It's very, very good. Loosen these two screws here, make your adjustments on your blade, tighten it back up again. And off you go. I like that. That's what's in the box. That's what you get with the Babyliss Pro Supermoto Trimmer, UK Europe edition. Compared to its bigger brother, the granddaddy, the uncle, whatever you want to call it. This is the one that created this one. This came first, right? Exactly the same size. Looking exactly the same to me. Really can't see any difference. Oh, hold on, I just spotted something. So the ring on the bottom seems a bit smaller. This ring on the base here, you can see, and this ring looks a bit smaller on this side. The actual wand bit that you hold looks identical, but feel exactly the same in the hand. In terms of weight, feels exactly the same as well. I'm guessing the base design is different because of the stand. Let's see if the gold one fits in the stand. We already know, obviously, this has been designed for this one. It just slots in nicely. Really like that. Just slots in nice. The gold one, will it fit? I bet it doesn't. Oh, hold on. Oh, wait, whoa. It fits, but it don't click. It doesn't actually sit in. But it fits in, as in like this bit goes into the hole here, but they're not connecting. Guessing the design of this is different to the design of this. They won't fit. But hopefully on version 2 of this one, the FX, the American FX, it might come with a stand, who knows. It's not fair that they're giving UK and Europe a stand and you know, no one else is getting a stand with theirs. But hey, I'm not complaining because I benefit from this right now. So back onto this one. Peel this off. So in terms of sound, sounds quieter. This one sounds quieter than this one, but I have had this one quite a while now. This one is set and cuts really nice. In terms of power, feel pretty much identical. Looking forward to using this. It looks like it's been zero gapped already out of the box. Just take a closer look at that blade. Yep, definitely looks like it's zero gapped and good to go. Looking really good compared to Skeleton FX. Blade looks pretty much identical. I've also noticed as well, another difference, the American one has this little hook so you can hang it up on your station if you choose to do so. This one doesn't. Very similar in size, very similar in weight. The blade look pretty similar. Again, I won't be able to tell until I try. Give this a run, give it a go. We'll see how it all works out. Any questions about this? Anything you want to know? Just leave a comment and I'll get back to you with any answers. If you want to see a review, you can also leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, let me know. We've got the Babyliss Pro Super Motor Trimmer with charging stand. This will go into the base, so it can just live on the station. Nice long cable to stretch to your power socket, and suction cups to stop it from lifting, which I really like. Really impressed with this. Really good idea. Leave a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe, let me know if you want me to do a review on this. Thanks for watching, see you soon. Peace.